Someday, when I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight. You're lovely with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you and the way you look tonight. With each word your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose, it touches my foolish heart. Lovely, never ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you just the way you look tonight.
Bye. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw ng birthday mo, hindi ka galitan ng boss mo, hindi ka sungitan, para maging masaya naman ang araw mo. Sana umuwi ka na para magkasama tayo, para makagala dito, papasyal ka dito sa akin, makipagkwentuhan uli ng buong magdamag. Ang wish ko sa'yo, yung good health, at saka sana magkita tayo uli. Happy birthday! I love you! I miss you!
Hello, Dete. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng birthday mo. At saka sana umuwi ka na para naman magkasama-sama pa tayo dito ng matagal.
Siyempre, talaga matagal.
Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday na darating, saka maging malusog at masigla ang katawan mo.
Ang galing nga.
We love you, Dete. Happy birthday. Bye. Bye-bye.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Mama Mila. Thank you sa lahat. I love you.
Hello, sister. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come.
Ayun.
I love you and I miss you. Sana makauwi ka ng malughati dito sa atin ngayong taong ito. Good luck and God bless. Hi, sister. Happy birthday. I miss you. Sana makauwi ka na ngayong taong ito. I love you.
Hi, hello sister. Happy birthday. Ito ang pinakamabait mong sister. Sana makauwi ka na sa taong ito. Miss ka na namin lahat dito. Sige. I miss you. Sister and batchmate, happy birthday to you and more blessing, good health, good luck. And I love you and I miss you so much.
Mama Mira, happy birthday. I love you. Bye for you.
Hello, Tita Mila. Happy birthday. We love you. Wish you good health.
Hello, Tita. Happy birthday. We love you so much. Please.
Mama Mila, happy birthday. We love you all.
Tete, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mila.
Good health.
Happy birthday. I wish you all the very best on your birthday and always. Okay, God bless you. Bye.
Hi Mama, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. See you soon po. Love you.
Hi Mama, happy birthday! May this day be as special as you are, and may God continue to bless you with good health, love, and happiness as you are always a blessing to others. I love you and I miss you so much. Hope we can be together soon, and thanks for everything.
Uy, birthday ni Mama. Happy birthday, Ma. Happy birthday sa'yo. I wish you all the happiness and good health in life. I know naman po na you deserve it. Thank you po sa lahat. Sa lahat ng binigay niyo sa akin, sa lahat ng sakripisyo. I know someday it will be paid off naman po. Makakabawi din po ako sa inyo. Basta po gusto ko lang malaman nyo na andito lang po ako palagi para sa inyo. And sorry po if sometimes po I disappoint you, pero you know naman po na I always try my best to overcome it and to make you proud of me. Yun lang po, miss ko na po kayo. Sana po magkasama na tayo. I love you.